everybody. Thanks for joining me. It's been a little while, but I am happy to be back and happy to report that the folks from Muse Kits, which used to be Smart Art Box, they've rebranded and now they're Muse Kits. They contacted me and asked me if I would be interested in receiving one of their kits. This is the kit for March 2023. And they would like me to show you the type of things that are included. If you go to their website, you can buy a box or you can sign up for different levels of their subscription box program. So yeah, I love the design on the box. There's got to be something that can be done when it's empty to recycle and reuse, because I think it's lovely. Okay, so anyways, enough of my rambling. Let's get into the box. Hopefully everything's on camera. I am in a new art space and with a new camera setup, so on the flaps of the box there's a little bit about their point system. It's their way of sort of giving back, I guess. You can go on their website. I'll link everything below. A link to the Muse Kits website where you can read even more information about how their subscription kit for kits work and that kind of thing. If you share your work, complete the prompts. They have monthly prompts. There's just a lot of ways that they help artists and crafters, and they give back if you support their business. So I think that's awesome. And that they're on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. So the first thing, and as I understand it, a booklet comes with each box that explains all the different items that are in the box, different products. So this box is an acrylic box. Let's see, we've got acrylic, 8-piece acrylic set from Talents, an artist sponge, some MDF panels, a 12-piece brush set, brush carrying case, an aluminum palette, a collapsible cup, woodless pencils. So that's a lot. And then they give you a quick start just to get your feet wet using some of the products that are in the box. There's the prompts for the month of March: music, clover, spring, and graffiti. Some pointers on using their products for the prompt. There's a skills challenge. Here's some more about their point system. So that will be specific to each box, so you'll get a different informational booklet. So let's just take a look at everything. I haven't opened anything. This is the collapsible water container. Look at this. Can't be that hard. Oh, there we go. I'm pushing it the wrong way. Push down, Sally. Oh, that's very pretty. It kind of matches I have a set of ceramic pieces that I have pencils and crayons and doodads in. Kind of matches those. I like that. Okay. This is going to be the brush holder, travel case, whatever you want to call it. These are also nice if you travel with your art supplies. Very nice. Heavy duty. Feels, like it would hold up really well. And we've got room for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 18 brushes. Large, too small. Very nice. And a sticker. We'll stick that somewhere. This is the aluminum paint tray, palette tray. And an art sponge. sea silk sponge. Very nice. Always good to have, especially for mixed media. They always include a little goodie. This is a Shamrock Sucker, I believe. Big Slice Pop. Lollipop. Green, since it's St. Patrick's Day month. Okay. Here is the brush set, Bromedia brush set. Oils, acrylics, or watercolor. They look like maybe a golden taklon. Let's see if it says. No. Definitely a synthetic brush, but they look really nice. A liner, a round, a flat chisel blender, a filbert, an angle, and a fan. Really nice set of brushes. And if you paint, you know, could always use more brushes. I'm trying to put that knife away so I don't stab myself accidentally. Okay, here are the Talons acrylics, 8 12 ml tubes. Let's see, what colors did we get? We have white, primary yellow, naphthol red medium, primary cyan, permanent green deep. I'm tipping it because the color names are way up here. Yellow ochre, burnt umber, and ivory black. Okay, so anyways, those are the acrylics. Talons, I like Talons products. We have a set of woodless graphite pencils. The nice thing about the woodless pencils is you don't lose all of your pencil when you sharpen it, like with the pencils where the lead is encased in wood, like your normal pencils, like a Stabilo, or you know, a normal pencil where you just have the wood and you sharpen it, especially if you like the long point sharpeners that sharpen the wood quite a ways back. You lose so much of your pencil every time you sharpen it. With the woodless, that doesn't happen, and you can sharpen with the long point sharpener and you're exposing all of the lead. It's just a fine coating of like a lacquer coating on the outside, but it's primarily all graphite. So these go from, let's see, 6, 8, HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B, and I'm assuming that's a 10B. It's turned, oh yeah, it says over here, 8B and an EE. I don't believe I've ever had an EE pencil. Well, I'm anxious to try that. I think what I'm going to do, yes, here it is, HB, 2B, 4B, 6, 8, and EE, which is 50% graphite and 50% charcoal. Very cool. I have never seen one of those before. Okay, that's great. What I'm going to do is just finish this unboxing, and then I'm going to do another, probably 2 more videos actually using these products so that we can test them out and see how they work and how we like, you know, the different brushes and the different pencils. We'll swatch out the paints. You know, we'll do all the things. So there are several MDF panels which are nice for painting on. They have the keyhole hangers on the back. Very nice. These are art alternatives. So there's 2 of the 5x5 size and 2 of the 5x7s. So the nice thing about the MDF panels, you can gesso it and paint right on top of it. Oils, acrylics, gouache. If you do watercolor, you can mount your watercolor paper paintings to the MDF panel, and then, you know, you can just hang it right up. So this is really a lot of products in one box. So I'm going to put this stuff back in here, and I am going to think about what kind of a project would best show off these products so that you can get a really good idea of what you can do with a Muse kit. I just love that. I love that little water bucket. So I hope that you will come back, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you click the little bell at the top of the screen, you will be notified when I upload my next videos. So that way you'll get a notification when the next one comes up, which will be one of the projects that I will do with some of these products from this great Muse kit. So thanks for joining me, and in the meantime, go make some art. Bye.